Welcome to AutoSens, the world's leading community for ADAS and autonomous vehicle technology development. We create best-in-class events, training, and information for the purpose of connecting the global community of engineers, scientists, and other automotive industry experts. We are joined by Sung Yeon Park, Technical Director of MORAI. And Sung Yeon, thank you for being with us and welcome to AutoSens.
Thank you for inviting me. Hi.
Indeed. Sung Yeon, provide us an overview of MORAI. Tell us about some of the work that you do, some of your customers and clients, and some of the services that you offer.
MORAI is a Korean technology startup that develops the vehicle simulation platform to verify the safety and reliability of unmanned systems represented by autonomous vehicles. We help our customers to achieve the safe and cost-effective validation of autonomous driving systems. We've been running for 6 years, and now it is the only company in Korea that provides full-stack autonomous driving simulation. We are trying to expand our business to US, Europe, and Japan, and so on. And over 100 clients are using our simulation platform for now, across multiple industries, academies, and Korean government institutes. Our major clients mainly consist of Hyundai Motor Company, Naver, one of the biggest company in Korea, and we actively collaborate with many global manufacturers and autonomous driving startup in Korea. MORAI Simulation is digital twin-based simulation platform. Customers can get the virtual world, which has same road network with the real world, and they can manage all the environments such as light, weather, traffic condition, or emergency situations like accidents or sudden failure of infrastructures. In these various situations, the customers can verify the safety performance of their driving systems before conducting the real-world test. In this case, user software can get synthetic data from virtual sensors. We provide many typical sensors like EO/IR camera, depth or semantic camera, LiDAR, radar, IMU, or GPS systems.
Sung Yeon, as you had mentioned a moment ago, looking to expand and into the United States, into Europe. As you're expanding and looking to do this, can you tell us a little bit about your role as the technical director with MORAI?
Yes, I'm one of the tech directors in MORAI. I oversee 2 tech groups called Product Group and Standards and Intelligence Group in MORAI. The product group designs the product roadmap, obviously, to fulfill the needs of industry and clients. And they manage and track all the system requirements to deliver the high-quality simulator to our customers. The Standards Intelligence Group is involved in various tasks. In standard-wise, they focus on developing high-definition map data and scenarios that can be used in our simulator, establishing the data standards, ensuring compatibility with other global standards. And intelligence-wise, they focus on developing autonomous driving algorithms for surrounding vehicles in the simulator. And also, there are 2 other tech groups in MORAI. One of them develops the core physics engine with visual effects and human-machine interfaces of the simulator. And the other group is develops the MORAI's autonomous driving-related tech models, such as synthetic data set using virtual sensors, vehicle dynamics models, and other applications using the MORAI simulator.
We're speaking with Sung Yeon Park, Technical Director for MORAI, a company that enables virtual testing for autonomous vehicles by creating high-fidelity simulation environments, sensor models, and vehicle models. And to that end, Sung Yeon, can we elaborate more? Can we expand more? How is MORAI making a difference then in the simulation space?
As you know, effective testing tools are essential to bring autonomous vehicles into our real life. We are trying to provide best-in-class simulation platforms, and it helps autonomous vehicle researchers and manufacturers test their products and make improvements based on the test results time effectively and economically. MORAI's data-driven simulation platform would be very effective through the whole development process, from the inception to the acceptance stage. We aim to reduce the time to commercialize the autonomous driving technology by more than half compared to the current expectations of the industry. So in case of simulation environments, the reliability of the digital twin would be one of the key factors in the test quality of the driving software. These digital twin environments can be automatically generated using our tools by transformation of high definition map data into 3D road meshes. So our customers can get the large scale virtual world test bed for their scenario tests very quickly. Our vehicle dynamics models are highly optimized for the real-time performance, but at the same time, it can reflect the measured real-world test data using our own pipeline, so that it shows a very similar response with the real vehicle. We currently provide vehicle models of ground vehicles such as sedans, SUVs, buses, trucks, and now we are expanding our models to other domains like urban air mobility, drones, or delivery robots, and so on. And sensors are modeled according to the actual product specifications, and they can be placed anywhere on the vehicle model in the simulation. So users would get autonomous driving related sensor data sets while the vehicle drives in the virtual world. Now we are focused on the improvement of the physical sensor performance, but if the customer needs more precise measurements, we provide co-simulation features with other advanced sensor models from our company, like ANSYS sensor model.
Sung Yeon, we have touched on this a little bit, but if I may, allow me to ask the question maybe a little more directly. So in all of your interactions in this space with other clients and customers and other leading companies, what are some of the challenges? What are some of the main challenges? What do you have a sense of there in the challenges that are in the simulation space right now? And then further to that, how is MORAI addressing these challenges?
We couldn't emphasize more about the importance of the simulation in the development of autonomous vehicles. Yeah, it reduces the development costs dramatically. Thus, many companies are challenging to provide more accurate, fast, cost-effective simulation solutions to the customers. And of course, we give our best to achieve and keep the position of one of the leading companies in this field. But the problem is, it is hard to decide which scenarios should be tested by the simulator. Theoretically, there will be infinite number of scenarios that the autonomous vehicle can be exposed. Obviously, we cannot test any software with infinite number of scenarios. So we must select due to the value of the scenario itself and collect the valuable scenarios. And in this case, we take two kinds of approaches to achieve this. First, we create the scenario sets derived from the standard cases. Random scenarios can be generated by parameterization of some standard scenarios. Then it is filtered by its hazardous according to our own metrics. Currently, we have standard scenario sets according to car assessment programs, and we are participating in decision of example standard cases for the autonomous vehicle with national government institutions. These abstracted scenarios can be diverted by some methodologies such as constrained random or ISO standards like SOTIF. On the other hand, we create the scenario sets from real-world measurement data. We are focused on scenario generation from ordinary vehicle trajectory data or some emergency situation like car accidents. Through these concepts, we can provide various and valuable situations to the software under test according to its operational design domain. And the resulting scenarios could be automatically executed in the MORAI simulator when it is possible for them to happen.
As we approach AutoSens in Brussels here at the AutoWorld Museum, Sung Yeon, is there anything additional that you would like to communicate or convey to our AutoSens viewers and attendees?
We are totally excited to be a part of AutoSens and share our technical experience with all of you. We hope that this event will be a precious opportunity to share the latest trends and innovative technologies in the autonomous field. And you can connect with us at booth number 25. We look forward to meeting you all at AutoSens. Thank you.
Speaking with Sung Yeon Park, Technical Director of MORAI, be part of our AutoSens Brussels event in September 2023 at the AutoWorld Museum. You can also connect with MORAI not only at the conference, but on their website as well. Sung Yeon, thank you for your time and thank you for being part of this. For more in-depth interviews like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow AutoSens on LinkedIn. For more information on our world-class events, visit auto-sense.com. That's auto-sense.com in Detroit. On behalf of AutoSens, I'm Carl Anthony.